Hey everybody, so I got a new spotlight. This is from Victoper. I've done a few different products of theirs, some flashlights, a couple of headlamps and stuff like that. And they sent this over to me to review. So this one does get pretty bright. It also does have a solar panel where you can charge it outside. This is rechargeable, and I did do some tests with it. I ran it on high for over 3 hours, and it still had some battery life. So you're going to get at least 3 hours on a charge with this one. Here in the front, you're going to have a Type-C input where you can charge it. You got Type-A where you could actually charge a phone or something if you wish to. I wouldn't. And then here's going to give you your battery indicator, 3. And then you also do have a lantern mode, which is actually kind of bright. I'll show you another spot of how bright it is too. Also, you get these lenses, and this cover part it comes off. You can stick these lenses into it, and then you can shine it, and you can get the different color lights. Now, I'm not going to stick them in because it will take a couple minutes for each one. But there's a yellow. We got a red, and then we got the blue. Also, there are different light modes, so this is the brightest, and you can dim it down. You could also do a pulse, and then you also got your lantern, and you could dim that down as well, and then you can get a red. Now, this spotlight has some distance to it. Let me show you. So you can see where my lights kind of end here. Let me turn this on, bring it up. Look at that. That is crazy how far that goes. That is bright. I mean, there you go. If you want a super bright spotlight, definitely check out this one. It's rechargeable. It'll last for at least 3 hours on the charge on the high beam, and it goes incredibly far.